Hey everybody, just a short follow-up video on Sunday night here. As you can see, I did not, well, you probably can't tell me undo this, but I did not machine off this stub, and I'm very glad that I turned it down to 3/4 of an inch on the bottom of the base for the pillar tool, because it occurred to me, I wish I could take credit for having planned this out, but very fortunately, having it exactly at 3/4 of an inch, I was able to fit it in a 5C collet and then clamp it in this collet block, and that gave me the ability to clamp the collet block in the mill vise and bore. I just finished boring this 1/2 inch hole. I drilled a 1/4 inch hole all the way through first, and then I bored a 1/2 inch hole for the brass. I keep calling them clamping pad. There's an actual cotter. So I bored a hole for the cotter, and then I stood it up on end like this, and I offset, and I drilled a little hole for the 1/16 inch pin, drill rod pin, that will keep the cotter from rotating. So very glad that I left the 3/4 inch cast iron tail fixed on there. I think before I wrap up tonight, I'll go ahead and cut a little piece of 16th inch drill rod, epoxy it in there, and let that dry overnight. And I just put this together. I'll fiddle with the alignment a little bit first. It was tricky getting that flat spot in there for the 16th inch drill. I used a long end mill. You can see the mark of it behind my thumb there to make a little flat spot. Then I used a center drill, and then I drilled a 16th inch hole. So, and it's a 1/4 inch on the back side here. So pretty pleased to have that done anyway. I double checked the measurements, and I should have about 100 thousandths of overlap here on the edge of the 1/2 inch brass cotter. So we'll get that all fixed in place, and then we'll probably cut the stub off and be ready to bore the 3/4 inch hole in there for the base, and then the base will be basically finished with its machining. So thanks for watching, everybody. I'll keep you posted.